Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to add customized font to Photoshop. Font is very important and crucial for customized design. Sometimes client provide their own font, sometimes where to use external fonts. In that case, where to install the font in the operating system, then we can use in Photoshop. In this video I'm gonna show you how to do this. Please follow my step-by-step process. Now I'm in Photoshop. I'm writing something in my stage. Let's say my font. Let's enlarge the font to make it more stand out. Maybe you can change the color. I am turning into ash color. Okay. In the properties panel, at the very right side of your interface, you will see the character panel. In that we see the impact font is selected. By clicking on the drop down button, we can see the list of fonts which is provided by Windows and Photoshop itself. If we keep the text selected and keep rolling over the fonts list, then you will see the font is changing automatically. But let's say this font are not sufficient. This font is not what I am looking for. That is why we need to install the external font. Let's say we have a font downloading website, dafont.com. Here you can see a lot of free font and commercial font as well. Like, you simply can download the fonts over here and can use it. Here I can select the CoffeeSpark font, and this is 100% free. I'm downloading this font. The font is downloaded. I'm going to the folder where it is downloaded. Now unzip the folder. From here we can see the font is downloaded. If we double click, we can see the font style. Now we can see the font in the website and the downloaded font are same. So now we can do pretty simple. Select these two fonts, right click and click install for all users. Click on the check marks and yes. Sorry, fonts are installing, already installed. Fonts are installed already. Now we get back to Photoshop. Now we can try to search the installed font. Our font name is CoffeeSpark. Let's type CoffeeSpark. We see the font is showing here. If we select this font, our text is changed already. This is how we can change the font. This is how we can install the customized font or external fonts. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.